You gotta put the eggs in the bucket.
Put it in the bucket. No, go keep going. Look, there's another egg. Look.
Look, honey, look up.
Look up on the stairs. You gotta put it in there.
Put it in and carry the bucket upstairs.
Okay, let's go.
Go up more, honey.
Let's go up to the next one. Okay, look. Look behind you. Look.
More eggs, honey.
Look. Is there more?
Look, honey, look up.
Can you see any more? Look.
Look.
Look on the stairs.
Look, buddy.
The Easter Bunny left those.
Yeah.
Look, is there more?
Keep going up. Let's go find all the eggs. You ready to take your bucket?
Okay. There's more. Where are they? Find all the eggs. Is there more? Look. Find the eggs. Where are they? Is there some over here?
Look,
Is
Carter.
there some behind you? Look.
Is there an egg?
Look. Can you see the egg?
Here, honey. Keep going.
Is there some over there?
Let's go look at McQueen.
Look out the window.
Oh,
Go look
the
at
window?
This way. Over by the door. Look. At the window. Careful.
Good boy. Come on over
Look
here.
at the TV.
Go look in your chairs.
Look inside your chair. Look in your chair.
Look in your chairs, honey. Oh, good boy. There's more.
Look in your chairs. Where's your chair?
Honey.
Good boy.
Good boy, you found all your eggs.
Oh, look at that big egg. Look at the big egg.
What else did the Easter Bunny leave? What's that?
Is there a big egg? Look.
Look, Carter, look at your big egg.
Look at the big egg. The big one. Made her. That's right. Whoa. Look at. Look on the shelf. There's more. Look, what's this? Yeah, it goes in your basket. What are those? Okay.
Everything goes in the basket.
What's this? Jake Bubbles?
Show mommy. Carter, can you show mommy? Where'd the Easter Bunny leave you? Show mom.
That's a lot of eggs.